Okay, this is a look at solving problems using completing the square or the completed square form. Let's have a careful look at this question. The maximum point of a quadratic curve is -2, -5, -2, -5 coordinates. It cuts the y-axis at -13. Find the equation of the curve. Give your answer in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, let's have a little look at what this curve looks like. Okay, so we're going to have a graph like this. Quite badly drawn, apologies. There's the maximum point, -2, -5. Not really to scale on the axes, but just get the idea there. And it goes through -13 on the y-axis. So the point is as well the general shape. It's what we might call an unhappy quadratic. So there's going to be a negative number in front of x squared if we do it right. But let's set this up. We know this equation is going to be y equals a lots of x plus 2 squared minus 5. Well, how do I know that? This is a general form that gives me the minimum point. The a on the outside, we'll find that in a second, but we've got x plus 2 squared. So inside the bracket is the opposite sign to the point which has the maximum or minimum value in a quadratic. Because it's at -2 there, that maximum point, that's +2. This number at the end, -5, tells you the y value of the maximum or minimum point. We're dealing with a maximum point here, so it's -5 is the maximum y value. Okay, we know it goes through 0, -13. So I'm going to sub in those values. -13 equals a lots of 0 plus 2 squared minus 5. So -13 equals 4 lots of a minus 5. 4a will equal -8. A equals -2. This is all using that completed square form to help us. So y is going to equal -2 x plus 2 all squared minus 5. Do stop and rewind if there's any of these points you need reiterating. So -2 all times x squared 4x plus 4. I'm just expanding that bracket there. Minus 5. -2x. -8x. -8. -5. -2x. -8x. -13 is the final answer there. That's in the correct form as asked for here. So, use the completed square form at the start, substitute in 0, -13, which is given there, crucial piece of information, and then just solve this little equation we set up to find a, expand your brackets to put it in the right form. So, these can be tricky at first, but once you've got the hang of it, you can use that completed square form and the y-intercept to find the equations. Thank you.